Hey guys, the name is Anna and you're watching Anna's World. Guys, every day we get to see new things. In this modern world, all the fake things can be made to look like real. But only experts can tell what is truth and what is false. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about some lies we all think they are true. So let's get started. Number 10. Watching TV. Guys, we all heard from our parents that we should not watch TV while sitting close. We all think that watching TV closely will make the eyesight weak, but you will be shocked to know that this is not the truth. Even eyes experts said that they did not found any connection between TV screen and weak eyesight. TV screen doesn't have any connection with myopia. This is not the truth. The thing is, according to the researchers, parents used to tell this to their children so that they don't watch TV for a long time and focus on their studies. Number 9. Bats. Guys, we all heard that bats fly at night and become blind in the morning. Almost everyone believe on this that bats get blind in the daytime. By the way, they don't appear on the daytime, so we feel this thing is true. Well, this is not at all true. Bats can not only see in the day, but their eyesight is clearer than human. The interesting fact is there are two qualities in bat's eye. One helps to see in the day and the other, like night vision, help them to see at night clearly. Number 8. The Great Wall of China. Guys, you all may have heard about the Great Wall of China. Of course, about this kids are also aware. This amazing architect is included in the Wonders of the World. Every year, thousands of people go to look for this monument. This wall's length is more than 21,196 kilometers, and this was made centuries ago. It is said that this wall is so big that it can be seen from the space, but this is not the truth. According to NASA, the Great Wall of China is not visible from the space. In the year 1754, China claimed that the Wall of China can be seen from the space. That time, nobody imagined satellites. But according to scientists, this claim is not true. Going to the moon and looking for this wall is an example like trying to see a human hair from 3 kilometers away. This is impossible. Even cannot see this from the space. One more interesting fact is that the Wall of China is good at where tourists go. Its most of the part is finished completely, and out of its bricks, people have made houses. So firstly, it can't be viewed from the space. Secondly, it's not that cool as it was in the ancient times. Number 7. Gold medal. Guys, all the athletes in the world work really hard their whole life and try to make themselves best so that they are able to win a gold medal from the Olympics. Of course, this award is really honorable and only a player can understand its values. But you will be really disappointed to know that for which gold medal these players spend their whole life is actually not made out of gold. The gold medals given to the players in Olympics is actually made out of silver. The weight of this medal is 500 gram, in which 494 gram is silver and only 6 gram is gold, and that too so that the medal get a gold coating. But in the year 1908 Olympics in London, gold medal was made with real gold, but from then till now they are making people only fools. Number 6. Shave. Guys, in the early age when the beard or the mustache hairs come out, then they are really less and thin. Many of you may have experienced this thing. When this thing happens, then families, experienced people say if these are shaved with blade, then the hairs will come out thick. In the starting, everyone will try to stay away from using blade, but you will be shocked to know that there is a complete nonsense in this thing. In the age of 15-16, doesn't matter how much time you have shaved, but the hairs will start to thick according to your age. There is no connection between thick hair and blade. Actually, as the age increases, the hairs start to come thick and more. So there is no connection between the blade and the thick hair. Number 5. Ancient pyramids. Guys, you all may have heard about these ancient pyramids. If you ask someone where are these pyramids found, then definitely they will take the name of Egypt. You all may be shocked to know that this is not the truth. The pyramids present in Egypt are really less in number when the most pyramids are present in Sudan. The whole world think that they are only present in Egypt. Only 138 pyramids are present in Egypt, whereas in Sudan, there are more than 250 pyramids present. The rulers of ancient Sudan made more pyramids than Egypt. And in the modern Sudan, most of these are in proper condition. But unfortunately, the whole world goes to Egypt to see these. Number 4. Instant noodles. Guys, all of you may have eaten instant noodles. Kids nowadays cannot live without these. The benefit of these are, firstly, they are really affordable. Secondly, they get ready in 2 minutes. By the way, there is nothing wrong in these instant noodles, but there is one detail which is absolutely fake. Guys, you must have seen this type of box for these noodles. If pouring hot water, they get ready in 2 minutes and doesn't require cooking. When we see these boxes, it feels like they are filled with noodles, and we think that this box will be full from bottom to top. But the sellers use a trick in this. They put noodles in the middle and leave the empty space from the down and up. This is why the filled box gets complete in 2 minutes. Number 3. Sleeping. Guys, as you all know, waking and sleeping on time is really important for our health. Some lazy people even sleep 12 hours a day, but what our elders have taught us, according to them, we should sleep 8 hours a day. Everyone thinks that if he did not sleep 8 hours a day, he will not get proper sleep and will feel lazy the whole day. But this is not at all the truth. According to the scientists, everyone's sleeping needs are different. For example, when a person is sick, then you should sleep more so that their body recovers fast. Other than that, everyone should sleep according to their needs for the body. If someone sleeps less and still is active, then there is no effect on his health. Number 2. Independence Day. Guys, many of you may know that America celebrates its Independence Day on 4th of July. The reason is that these people have a document where they signed for the Declaration of Independence. On this document, the date mentioned is of 4th July 1776, and they believe that they got freedom from Great Britain on this day. But this matter got complicated when researchers did a research on it. According to the researchers, America's Independence Day from far, far away doesn't have any connection with 4th of July. This document was only written on 4th of July, while it was signed on 2nd August, which means America got freedom from the Great Britain on 2nd August. But from centuries, America is believing this truth as false. Number 1. Burger. Guys, nowadays everyone loves fast food. At least once you may have seen these ads of burger. The advertisement burgers look so big that we feel like it won't fit in the mouth. And secondly, it's really attractive. When we buy this thing, we don't get what expected. The reason is these advertisement companies work really hard to make these attractive. First of all, a special burger is made for the advertisement, which not restaurant but food style is prepared. The responsibilities of these people is to make the food attractive. And after that, the filmmakers put them on special platforms and click pictures and videos of these, and then make this more better in the photo editor. Other than that, some companies use shaving cream instead of real cream, and instead of maple syrup, they use engine oil to make these more attractive in the ads, and more customers come in. Anyways guys, that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did so, hit that like button to show support. Please subscribe, share and comment down below your opinions about this video. As I always say, reading your comments makes my day. It makes me happy. So anyways, please take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay home, stay safe and goodbye.